Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome to MolarGold. We're still on the gold asset today, and we are going to start the analysis right now. Last week we spoke about the fact that gold is in a bullish trend and has to continue the bull market. However, where we are is in a critical condition or critical position where we will see either both buys and sells. However, I'm in a favor of the bulls. Okay. The reason I'm saying that is we have this move right here that gives us an A, a B, and then a C right there. So this can come down like this, either in the form of a running flat like this or like that, or expanded flat. Okay, before we go to the upside. That is very, very possible because the last time I told you guys, we are completing the green degree, which is this 1, 2, 3, 4. So it can be like this 4, and then it goes like that 5, right? So we can have this move. But if we don't have the move, we can still have the 4 here. So this will be with 1, this will be with 2, with 3, with 4, and it continues for with 5. Okay. Yes. Emily, hey, been a long time, Emily. Emily says good morning. And then I have Abedi123. It says good morning, dog. Happy new week. Buchimodo says good morning, dog. Good morning to you all. Welcome to MolarGold, guys. Yvonne says good morning, dog. Guys, if today is your first time, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and smash that like button. Right? Smash that subscribe button so that anytime I drop a new video or I come live, you will be notified immediately. Mohammed, welcome, Mohammed. Good morning. All right, guys. So let's continue with what we are doing. So yes, there's a possibility in this area that price can start coming down. However, I'm not in that kind of move. Let's go down. So we are going to scale down. Please don't forget, anytime you come to a live, please don't forget to hit that like buttons as many times as you can. All right, thanks so much in advance. Okay, so let's go on. We are going downwards, so we are going to downgrade a little bit. So yes, now we started this last move, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, which has completed so nicely. The structure I spoke about has manifested nicely and easily. Okay, now we are inside the zone, and this zone can be like with A, with B, with C. This one is what I showed in the higher time frame. So we continue going down. Let's go to 1R. However, we start with 1, with 2, with 3, with 4, with 5. We inside this zone still. We've not come out of the zone, so price can be a little tricky in the zone. Then we drop further to the downside. We drop further. Says, Doc, I'm already in a buy gold. Where is a possible SL zone? Okay. So we have with 1, with 2, with 3, with 4, with 5 right here. Okay, an ABC correction, another ABC correction. They can be like this so that we get an A, B, and C, and price will start going back up again. Or it can start dropping from there. So two possibilities. We're going to see it clearly in the 5 minutes. So we have seen the structures right here. Now let's get it clearly in the 5 minutes. So this 5 minutes is where we are going to spend much time. Okay, now we can see clearly we have this move, okay. This is a three wave, like this. Let me change the, all right, so this is a three-way move like this, okay, and then we're going to do the big one. We're going to do the big one like this, right? So we have this, and then we have that, okay. We equally have this 1, 2, 3 also, which is in the red degree, like this. So I'm actually playing with the red degrees. Then what happened is that we're going to have a 5 wave all the way. In fact, let me use this one, something like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we go back up, okay, or we would go down, okay, with 1, with 2, with 3, with 4, with 5, we go down, okay. It can happen that way. Right? No, let me draw it this way so that it makes sense. Okay. All right. So we can have this way. This also makes sense, right? This also makes sense. So that's basically it. At this point, all you have to do is we just watch the chart. That's all we're doing. Okay. I usually love watching to see what moves they are going to play. Okay, yes, we don't rush into the moves. Why am I saying this is likely to happen? This is likely to happen. We didn't break this top, all right, so that can be a higher degree with 1, with 2, and then with 3, and it start going down, okay, since we did not break the top. And it can equally be in a bullish move, just preparing itself for a strong move. And then we get something like this, then we go up like that. Okay, so this will be a strong move to the up. They're just preparing themselves to propel upwards. Okay, so it's good you also look at what is happening, and then you start making your observations, you start making your analysis, and then you can strike. Okay, what is saving everybody, those in the buy position, is this trend line. That is where you draw the lines between taking a loss and then continue to hold in the trade. Okay, because once you break out of this trend line, it's likely we will touch these levels. We will touch these levels. Right, so we can touch these levels and then we start going back up. So yes, the bulls are still there, the bears are still there. The bears wants to push the market to the downside. A lot of people want to sell gold, a lot, okay, but don't keep that alone in mind, because this same trend line can be a propeller for more buys. Okay, however, I told you today I'm in the mood of the buyers. I stand with the buyers. Okay, I stand with the buyers. So if you are a buyer, good. All right, if anything changes, I would update in the channel. I will update in the channel. Please and please and please don't forget to tell your friends. Okay, don't forget to tell your friends about Molar Gold. All right, let's continue. So yes, why am I looking for buys? You know me, I'm a I'm a short-term trader, even though I hold some of the trades for a very long time, but usually I look into the short terms and then I quickly adjust my take profit, stop losses. I quickly adjust, okay, because I'm an intraday trader. I close all my positions within the day. I don't hold most of my positions over the night, weekend, or whatsoever. No, everything is for the day. Okay, so now that we are here, you can see that price is just making a kind of move that we all know very, very well. All right, that we all know very, very well. Um, we can have this like that, and then we go. But this is looking like a triangle to me in this direction. Let me show you guys. So to me, this is looking like this. I mean, this is looking like this. All right, it's looking like this to me. Okay, so I have a kind of move like this. All right, and we have broken out of the top. Now that we are broken out of the top, I have to do a series of confirmations to confirm if I'm still in the move that I was actually suspecting. Okay, some series of confirmations. So I can't do that. I can't do that now. But once we get that, we will know if we are valid in the structure or we are not. And it looks like the structure is not valid. It looks like that. It looks like it's not valid. But we have to confirm every time you have a triangle. Triangles are very, very complex, so you have to confirm them before you can make any kind of decision. All right. So guys, once gold drop into these levels and give me a rejection, I will go for it. Okay. I'm still bullish. I'm still bullish. Okay. Until gold confirms clearly that hey, we are going bearish. For now, everything is pointing in the bull direction. Everything is pointing in the bull direction. So we would also be looking to trade gold in the bull direction. We would going to be scalping for these trades are going to be short-term trades. Okay. Once the trend is confirmed, then we can go for the long-term trades. All right, guys. At this point, I would like to end the call. Yes, if today is your first time, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell notification so that anytime I drop a new video or come live, you will be notified immediately. By the way, my name is Dr. Mola, and I say bye for now, guys.